taxi for Mr. Achilles.
Good morning, peeps. Today is going to be a very long day. I am heading to Australia. I'm going to spend about 10 hours on the layover. I'm going to head into Hong Kong, check that out, and then I'm going to land in Melbourne on Wednesday morning. So it's Monday morning now. I've started my journey in absolute style. My very good buddy and business partner, Aman, has picked me up in his stunning Range Rover. I really appreciate it, buddy.
It's a pleasure.
You got to give this guy a follow on Instagram, so I'll put a link to that below. But yeah, today's going to be good fun, and hopefully this should be a very interesting vlog of my 35-hour trip to Australia. Cool, enjoy. Hey guys, welcome to a very sunny Hong Kong. I hope you've enjoyed the journey so far. I've certainly had an awesome time. I decided to spend the day in Hong Kong because I've never been here before. I landed at 6 AM this morning. It was pitch black, as you've just seen, and I'm flying back out again this evening onwards to Melbourne, so I'm really only halfway. So far it's been amazing. I've just been wandering around in this glorious weather, trying to take in all the sights. There's a lot to see. I decided to upgrade myself to business class with Cathay Pacific. The service was amazing, and in fact I'm going to do a whole business class review on the Cathay Pacific journey today, so keep an eye out for that. That video will hopefully come in about 3 weeks or so once I'm back from Australia. So I'm going to head off and find myself something to eat for lunch. I've got no idea where I'm going or which direction. So far I've come from Hong Kong Island over there. I caught a ferry over here. So I've just got to be back at the airport for about 4 PM. So hopefully you enjoy the next bit of the journey and catch up with me in Australia. Cheers. All showered. I feel a million times better, but the Hong Kong sunshine has burnt my nose. Right, so I finally arrived in Melbourne. I had a lovely last leg to the flight. I got a really good sort of 5 hours sleep. And let me introduce you to my brother.
Hello.
This is Jack. We haven't seen each other for about 4 years.
Yeah, a long time.
He lives over in Melbourne. How long have you been here now, Jack?
Nearly 12 years.
12 years. So he's got a thick Australian accent. I think we're finishing the journey in style, aren't we?
Yeah, of course.
What do you drive these days? A Ferrari?
Honda Jazz.
A Honda Jazz.
Yeah. Top of the line.
The funny thing is, my brother and my dad actually are so uninterested in cars. They're like the total opposite to me. We're walking through the car park. What do I spot? M240i. And what colour is it in? Melbourne red, obviously. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and subscribe to my channel, and also check out my brother's Instagram page. He's a proper foodie, so it's what is it, Jack Achilles Food Reviews?
Yeah.
I'll put a link below in the description, as we're now both silhouettes. Here's the beast. Look at it. Yes, definitely gonna review this bad boy. Brilliant. Oh, look, I've got a luggage boy as well now. Yeah, that's the other thing about my brother. He's pretty strong, as you can see.
I'm half the size I was about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, well, his nickname is Jack Tank Achilles, and you can kind of see why. So, in Melbourne about an hour, and my brother has just taken me to a local coffee shop. I totally forgot how good coffee is in Melbourne. They don't mess around out here, do they? In Australia in general, but this is, wow. And look, that is a flat white. Look how big that flat white is. I'm going to be awake for like weeks. So thank you, Jack.